am making a shroom burger, we start with a whole lot of mushrooms. And you let them cook until they have developed their flavor and their color. I let them go until they almost look shellacked, till they're super deep brown in color, almost a reddish brown color. That's when I add my shallots and or garlic, in this case, both, and the salt and pepper. Then we're gonna take some coarse black pepper, get that in there. Then we're going to add some shallot, lots of fresh thyme, and we're going to grate in some garlic. I'm gonna turn that down and just let the shallots and garlic cook out a little bit. And I'm gonna hit it. This is Shaoxing. This is a Chinese rice cooking wine. It tastes very similar to dry sherry, so you can use either or. And you want a good half a cup. And my secret ingredient, about a quarter cup of smoked shoyu, smoked soy sauce. Of course, you could just use soy sauce if you prefer, or tamari. So fragrant. We're just gonna let that hang out and the alcohol start cooking out. I'm also preheating a large cast iron skillet for our burgers. For the burgers themselves, shaking up my bottle of Worcestershire. You need 2 pounds for 4 patties if you want an 8-ounce burger. You need 1.5 pounds if you'd like a 6-ounce burger. We're gonna put these on brioche buns, and the secret to the flavor of this burger is I grated in about 3 tablespoons of white or yellow onion. You grate right over the bowl so the juice of the onion, see, falls right on top of the meat. We're going to liberally season the patties with Worcestershire, kosher salt, coarse black pepper, and another secret ingredient, some grated horseradish. So the burger itself is very spicy. Now, when we make patties, you mix your meat with your ingredients or your seasonings, and then you want to push the meat back together into one even, large patty so that you can score the meat. Why? So that every burger is the same shape and size. I just flipped our burgers, and now I'm gonna top them with really good Emmentaler, Finlandia, one of the really good Swiss cheese. I'm gonna fold a slice in half and then go even another slice more. And then we're gonna put a little lid on that so the cheese melts down. For the mushrooms, we're going to take a cup of creme fraiche or a cup of cream and stir that into our mushrooms. Now for underneath the burger, on the brioche bun, I've got some sweet and spicy cornichon, kind of like a sweet and sour pickle. I just thinly slice them lengthwise, and you need enough to totally cover the bottom of every single roll. Then we're gonna put some spicy watercress. I'm just gonna shave the cress leaves. So your buttery toasted bun bottom. Remember, every bite we want to be the same. I top that with our spicy watercress leaves. I top that with our triple cheese Swiss horseradish burger. And then I top that with the creme fraiche sherry smoked soy sauce mushrooms. Did you hear you? That was filthy. Y'all are going, you got dirty.